Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to make money with Claude AI and Canva. First thing you need to do, you need to connect Claude AI with Canva. And it is really important to be logged in on both Claude AI and Canva in the same browser. So you need to come here on Claude AI and you need to click here where it says Customize. Click here and then click here on Connect Your Apps. Click here and then here you can see Canva is currently 4th most popular app on Claude AI. But if you cannot find Canva here, what you can do, you can simply search it here, okay? And here you can see Canva showed up. After that, you need to click on the plus. And after you click on that plus, you will need to allow connection between Claude AI and Canva. Now, I cannot do that because I already connected Claude AI and Canva. That is why I cannot see this plus. I can only see settings option. So after you connect Canva and Claude AI, you can start making money with Claude AI and Canva. So first way to make money with Claude AI and Canva is by offering your graphic designer services in different kind of freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, freelance.com, and so on and so on. You can also offer that service on local businesses. So for example, when we come here on Fiverr and when we search graphic and design and when we search logo design, here we can see competition is big. There is more than 230,000 results. Competition is big, it is strong. Look at this, 24,000 reviews, 13,000 reviews, 61,000 reviews. Competition is big and it is strong. But what I can do, I can use Claude AI to analyze all of these gigs here and to find keyword gaps and to actually find a smaller sub niches of logo design where competition is not that big but search volume is decent. So I can come here on Claude AI, let me just close this and I will start a new chat and here I will give it this prompt. And here you can see this is my prompt. Here you can see search demand signals. Here you can see subcategory discovery. Here you can see competitors analysis. Here you can see buyer psychology, ranking strategy, and so on and so on. And all I have to do is just click here on enter and Claude AI will analyze all of these Fiverr gigs here, analyze my competition, find the good keywords, find the keyword gaps, find the low competition subcategories, and it will suggest all of that for me. Okay, Claude AI finished analyzing my competition. Here you can see 47 low competition keywords, 23 subcategories, 8 hidden gold mines, 12-week action plan. Here you can see marketing reality. Here you can see core opportunity in 2026. Here you can see subcategory, deep dive scores. Here you can see podcast and branding. Here you can see SaaS and tech, startup logo, personal branding, coaching and creators. And here you can see Shopify e-commerce stores. Here you can see fitness and gym. So I can create my Fiverr gig offering logo design in one of these categories, targeting one of these categories here. Here you can see 8 out of 10, 4 out of 10, and 8 after 10. And when I scroll here I can see keyword arsenal. Here you can see low competition keywords. Green are low competition keywords. Podcast logo design, personal brand logo design, logo coach, real estate logo design, and so on and so on. Here you can see medium competition is yellow, rising is purple. So these are rising keywords. And here you can see niche authority. These keywords here are niche authority. So I need to choose one of these keywords here that Claude suggested. Here you can see ultra specific long tail keywords. And also here you can see recommended Fiverr gig title formulas. Here you can see, so Claude AI will do everything for you. So all you have to do is just create that logo. So for example, let's just say I wish to create a logo for a small company. So I will give it this prompt. And here you can see I will create a logo for a small company named Nova Pixel Studio. And here you can see my entire prompt, okay? And this is really important, guys. Here you can see I added at Canva, and that means I'm calling Canva. That means I'm actually telling to Claude AI to use Canva to make this logo. And when I click here, Claude AI will use Canva to make this logo. You just need to give it a time. Here you can see it is using Canva to make this logo. It already started. Just give it a few seconds to finish. Okay, Claude AI finished, and here you can see how these logos look. They offered me 4 options. Here you can see how they looks. When I click here I can see how this logo look. This is how it looks. So when I click here, I can open this in Canva and I can continue editing this logo in Canva if I want. If I don't want that, I can simply right click here and I can save this image as on my desktop, and I can go back here on Fiverr and I can send that to my client. And that client will review it, and if it is satisfied, it will pay me money. Okay, so this is one way to make money with Claude AI and Canva. Now, second way to make money with Claude AI and Canva is to, again, offer freelancing services. Now, what you can do, you can actually offer to make a better Facebook ads for your clients. You can offer that service on Fiverr, on freelance.com, Upwork. You can search different kind of Facebook fan pages, and you can offer them service to make a better ad campaigns for your clients than their competitors. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply go here on Facebook ad library, and then here you need to choose country. I will choose all the countries. Okay, here you need to choose ad category. I will choose all ads, and then here let's say my competitors are in keto category. Simply click here on keto and give it a few seconds Facebook Meta to actually find ad campaigns. So what I can do, I can actually, here you can see ad campaigns, and you can analyze these campaigns. So I will copy this link here, okay, and I need to go back here on Claude AI, and I need to start a new chat, and I need to give it a prompt to analyze all of these ads in this category and to find and to create a better ad. So this will be my prompt, and when I go here you can see I need to provide, it will analyze competitors' ad campaign in detail, reverse engineering, identified weaknesses and missed opportunities, create a better ad, and generate a Canva-ready image design concept for my own campaign. Okay, here you can see target audience, creative analysis. Here you can see copy analysis, performance estimate, and so on and so on. So when I click here, Claude AI will analyze all of these data here when it comes to these ads here, and it will suggest me better title, better description, better images, better videos to make a better ad campaign when it comes to keto diet. Here you can see there is 35,000 results, and my ad campaign that Claude AI will suggest me will make it stand out, and hopefully it will outperform all of these ads here. You just need to give it a few seconds to analyze everything. Here you can see full keto Facebook ad, strategic analysis, and Canva blueprint. Here you can see how this looks. Section 2, what makes these ads works. Here you can see why these ads here, why they are working. Here you can see weakness and opportunities. Here you can see weaknesses, why it hurts, and here you can see opportunities. Here you can see my improved ad strategy, and here you can see it's still finishing. Claude AI is still finishing. Here you can see Canva ad blueprint, ad dimension 1080 with 1080. Okay, layout architecture. Here you can see how the layout architecture looks, exact Canva design instructions, and here you can see how this looks. It's still finishing. Okay, final high converting ad concept. Here you can see it is writing high converting ad concept that you need to use in order to stand out compared with these ads here. Okay, and to get more clicks on your ads. And if you get more clicks on your ads, your clicks will be cheaper. Okay, that is why it is really important to have a good ad campaign, a good ad copy. Okay, so here you can see they used Canva. As you can see here, they used Canva to make this ad. Stop counting, start burning. And here you can see how this looks. take the quiz, okay, free quiz. So this is my ad campaign. As you can see, it's really, really good. I can actually download all of this to my desktop and I can send it to my client here on Fiverr, freelance.com, Upwork, or wherever I want. So third way to make money with Canva and Claude AI is to create an ebook. So what you need to do, you can actually go on Scribd and analyze what is currently trending on Scribd, on PDF Coffee, SlideShare, and similar websites, and see what is currently trending on those websites. And you can create ebooks which you will use to drive traffic to your blog, to your website, to collect emails, to promote your affiliate offers, or whatever you want. So what I need to do, I need to go back here on Claude AI and I need to click here on New Chat, okay? And here I need to give it a new prompt, okay? And this is my prompt. Here you can see you are expert ebook writer, and here insert your topic. So here I need to insert my topic. And let's say, for example, keto diet. Okay, and again, this is important, guys. Here you can see I'm again calling Canva. I'm telling to Claude AI that they need to use Canva to design my ebook, okay? And here you can see what is the goal of my ebook. Here you can see important. The ebook must be easy to read, visually attractive, and so on. Here you can see structure. Here you can see for each page provide. Here you can see design style. Here you can see visual requirements. Here you can see Canva design details, cover page requirements, content style, and so on and so on. And all I have to do is just click here and Claude AI will create this ebook. It will write this ebook, but it will also create this ebook including a cover image for my ebook, okay? And it is totally free. Okay, Claude AI finished my ebook and this is my cover image. Here you can see color palettes, here you can see introduction, here you can see 5 golden rules of keto, here you can see 7-day Kickstarter plan, here you can see you're ready, now go. So this is my ebook and these are the pages. And when I scroll here, here you can see beginner's guide. Here you can see this is my ebook and this is how my ebook will look. And this is the second page, third page, and so fourth, fifth page. And I can open this in Canva and I can further edit this ebook in Canva if I want. If I don't want, I can simply download this to my desktop and I can, as you can see here, I can export this to Gumroad, to Etsy, to Scribd, to PDF Coffee, to SlideShare, or I can simply use it to promote my blog, website, my mailing list, or whatever I want. And like I said, you can use this ebook to promote your affiliate offer, to drive traffic to your blog or website, to grow your social media, to promote your own product, to grow your mailing list, or whatever you want. So these are 3 ways that you can use Claude AI and Canva to make money online in 2026 as a beginner, totally free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.